Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing one of the most powerful and luxurious conversions of the upcoming year, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion. Built on the backbone of Ram's legendary heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome takes strength, comfort, and practicality to an entirely new level. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion instantly commands attention. The base chassis features Ram's bold front fascia with a redesigned grille, adaptive LED headlights, and improved aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. The extended body has been seamlessly integrated into the cab, giving the vehicle a clean, factory-finished look. Large tinted windows surround the living area, while an automatic retractable awning provides shade for outdoor lounging. You'll also find multiple side compartments for utilities and storage, a roof-mounted solar panel array, and a rear ladder leading to the roof deck, perfect for enjoying the view or mounting extra gear. Stepping inside, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion feels more like a compact luxury apartment than a vehicle. The interior design combines high-end craftsmanship with smart space utilization. There's a spacious lounge area with a leather convertible sofa, a collapsible dining table, and LED ambient lighting that sets a cozy mood. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a 2-burner induction stove, stainless steel sink, microwave, and a compact refrigerator. Cabinets are soft-close and made from lightweight composite wood, balancing durability and aesthetics. Moving to the rear, you'll find a private sleeping area with a full-size bed, overhead storage, and side windows for ventilation and light. The bathroom setup includes a compact shower, flushing toilet, and a vanity with a mirror, a rare luxury in this size class. Every corner is designed to maximize comfort and efficiency, making it perfect for both short trips and extended living. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion retains the raw power that the Ram brand is known for. It's powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces over 420 horsepower and an impressive 1,075 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring consistent power delivery whether you're climbing steep terrain or cruising down open highways. With this much torque, towing an additional trailer or gear is effortless, and the new engine tuning improves fuel efficiency compared to previous models. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video